Hi Gavin, hi Nick, and hi Stuart, as I reckon you'll be seeing this as well soon. It's so hard for you guys to get up here to see my wonderful workshop. I thought I'd give you a tour. Before I do a quick recap of what I'm trying to do here, we spent the last 3 or 4 years developing a fantastic range of courses to teach owners how to maintain and repair their classic cars. The reason we do that is people like me are dying out. For the last 2 generations, blokes in particular have forgotten how to change a fan belt, check out spark plugs, even dip the oil at times. And the problem we're having now as classic car owners is with people like me dying out, there's no one out there to fix these cars. And yet there are at least 500,000 cars over 30 years old registered in Australia, and for everyone registered there must be 2 or 3 that are unregistered. At the same time, there are 1,000 car clubs just in New South Wales. So you talk about hundreds of thousands of owners and millions of cars out there. And at the moment, the repair facilities that are available are shrinking and shrinking and shrinking. And yet they're easy to work on. Cars from the 50s, 60s and 70s, even the 80s and 90s are remarkably straightforward to work on. And these days you've got fantastic resources we never had as kids. You've got YouTube, you've got Google, you've got workshop manuals which you could never get out of the factories back in the 60s and 70s. And you've got Facebook and lots of support teams. So what we find when people come here for these courses, they learn a lot and they get tremendous enthusiasm. But getting this word out to people is really, really hard. It really is. So what I want from Shannon's is not money. I don't want any money, thanks. We've got lots of cash, okay? What we want is your support and sponsorship to promote this, which will be a not-for-profit organisation. Its focus will be to provide classes and workshop and coaching for owners of classic cars. So, on with the tour. Okay, this is our wonderful workshop in Western Sydney. My first focus is really this blank wall, which would look fantastic, covered with a big sign which said, Shannon's Classic Car Academy. And that's what I'm hoping to get from you guys. Touring the workshop now, we've got a cleaning section here by the door. This hoist has been so positioned so we can do pressure washing underneath cars here and clear the water outside through the recycling system. Talking of recycling, all the engine oils are all recycled through the large tank here. We've got every tool you can possibly think of. If people come in here and there's a tool that's needed, we simply go and buy it. Similarly with fasteners, nuts, bolts, screws and threads, etc. And we even have them color-coded, perhaps a little sop to my accounting background. The left-hand cupboard here is full of all our service spares, new items. The right-hand cupboard is full of nothing but special tools, of which we have many. And here is another branding opportunity. Delighted to take my poster down and put up Shannon's Classic Car Academy in its place. In the back section here is where we have our assembly table. This is where we rebuild engines, gearboxes, transmissions, etc. It's also where we keep our major large equipment, hoists, etc., welding gear, steel store for our fabrication work, and also boxes of second-hand parts for all the various cars we have in our fleet. Over on this side, well away from where we rebuild engines, is our bit of machining shop. We're trying to find space to put in a lathe, but everything else we have there works really well. Nice little area to work in. This is our project corner. The current project is an E36 compact forest rally car that we're building up. And we also have a fantastic range of workshop manuals, most of which are factory manuals, going from the 1930s right up until the 1990s. We are, by the way, a 20th century car specialist. Anything from 1st of January 2000 onwards, forget it. In the office we have another little library of specialist books, including on tuning and racing and competition work, and a reflection perhaps of the ages of our clients and our teachers here. We have our little defibrillator as well. And as we're back outside, we come to the final branding opportunity for you. Again, I'd love to replace our sign at the top with Shannon's Classic Car Academy. Thanks, guys. Okay, hope you enjoyed the tour. Now to wrap up here, I'd just like to say we've got a fantastic location and a fantastic team. Our location here in Kings Park is 5 minutes from the M2 and M7 motorway. It's equidistant pretty well to anywhere in the Greater Sydney Basin. And the team we have together is very professional. As for myself, I've been working on cars since I was 16 years old, and I've done a lot of teaching, a lot of training in my life, although my background is an accountant. We also have a fantastic engine builder called Harry. He's been building engines, including race engines, since he was a teenager. He's a great teacher of people. He loves teaching, and he's very good at it. Then we have two professional learning and development people. We've got Bruce, who is a very, very experienced mechanical engineer, who ended up being the Chief Training Officer for Toyota, and is used to rolling out very professional training programs. And then there's Deborah, who's a true learning professional, working for one of the major quasi-government departments, which I can't tell you which, okay? And she's been developing learning programs for 30 or 40 years. So with our professionalism, with our facilities here, and with your support, we can really transform the skill set of the owners of classic cars, which I remind you are your future clients and your current clients. So hopefully to chat when I get back from New Zealand in a couple of weeks' time. Thanks.